stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Okay, so I'm really crusty, as you guys can see. I just got out of the shower. But we're gonna go in with our cocoa butter. This is like the key to healthy, vibrant, clear skin. Literally, cocoa butter. Oh, okay. Cocoa butter. We instantly, I feel better. In this video, we're not gonna use a beauty blender. So I'm gonna start off by taking my Rihanna, and I have on a Harley Davidson shirt, but I'm gonna start off by taking my Rihanna lip gloss. Next, we're gonna go in with our Sunbeam highlight to our highest points. It's just gonna give us a nice natural radiance and kind of slap our face like that. And you guys can see the glow. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with a bit of foundation. And I mean a bit, this is completely, it's a sheer, it's the N.Y.X Total Drop foundation. It's super lightweight, like super lightweight. But this is just gonna give us a bit of coverage. We're actually gonna just drop that on our hand. And I really don't have much left, so that's even better. But we're gonna go in with a bit. We're gonna rub it into our face like lotion, concentrating it around our mustache area and our cheeks. Okay, and then we're gonna just brush it in. It's okay if it's a bit messy. Who's perfect, you know? Imperfections are the new perfect. When you start comparing yourself to other people, you are perfect, because you are you. We're gonna just take our Ginger by NARS because it's like a nice little concealer. You know, it's not doing too much. We're gonna just blend everything. So we got everything looking all nice and natural, and then boom, tada, we got harsh lines. And begin setting our face. But we're gonna use it in our Amaretto, spread that all over our cheeks, and we're not afraid of any blush. We're gonna go in our Badescu spray mixed with water, going with a bit of our mascara, and I mean a bit because we could just keep it with the boy brows, you dig?